Yeah, you found some quicksand for sure.
Found some mud. Yeah.
Alrighty guys, it's Sunday afternoon, so you can guess it. I'm going on a recovery. Seems like that's when people just get stuck. We're going to the barracks. I guess we got a Ford Ranger stuck in the river, so I'm gonna take the old Tacoma today because, well, it's already muddy and I don't feel like washing the tow truck. It's put up over there hibernating till the off-road games, which are coming up soon. So we'll fire the Tacoma up and go see if we can get this guy pulled out and back on his way to doing whatever he was doing. Away we go. Go get this guy unstuck and get back to my Sunday slumber. That's what I'm saying. Alright, just coming up on the barracks turn off here now. He's supposed to be at the first river crossing. See if we can drive right down to him and pull him out of there. If not, we'll get the Onx pin out. He sent us an Onx pin, but I know where the first river crossing is. So if he's not where he said he is, then we'll get on Onx. We'll track him down that way and see if we can find him. So hopefully we can do that. But if you guys don't have Onx yet and want it, make sure you use code fabrats20 if you want to save yourself some money. I don't know why you wouldn't have Onx. I use it for my maps, all my stuff. I use it. It's easy and that works well. So I can tell who owns the property where I'm looking at old cars I want to go. So make sure you get yourself some. All right, on to finding this guy. It's mighty muddy. It's not looking good down here. A little snowy. It's warm today, so it's all melting. This could prove to be fun. Plus the water's high right now from all the rain and snow that we've got. So probably not the best day to play in the river. Oh, the Tacoma is a mess currently. Glad I brought this and not the tow truck. Well, I'm glad right now. See if I'm glad in a minute. There it is. Stuck in the river. That's a doozy. She's stuck. That's not a Ranger, that's a Raptor Ranger. We'll see how we're gonna get that out of here. Hey, you're stuck.
I'm stuck. How's it going? My name's
Good.
Kenny.
I'm Paul.
It's good to meet you.
So, what the heck?
Well, so he was driving, and I don't know why he decided to turn into the quicksand.
That's crazy. He just drove you off in the hole like that. Well,
that'll teach us to put him in the driver's
we
seat.
can figure this out pretty easy, I think. We'll, yeah, just buried up. Yeah, you found some quicksand for sure.
Just playing around with the new truck.
Oh yeah.
I think I can get it right.
We'll see how that works. Alright, game plan is to just hook the winch on. See if we can get the suction brake and get it to come out of there. Yeah, if you want to just get in it, put it in gear. Yep, just come right up there. You'll go right out there. Once it comes, it should be fairly easy once you do it. All right, here we go. Little winch action. That was easy. That was easy. No sweat. That's good. All right, you guys can continue playing around today. Maybe you're not out of the woods yet. Oh yeah, it's gonna get it. Got her made. No problem. All right, that was pretty easy. We'll go back home and call her a day. Those ones are easy. Little tug with a winch and he's on his way again. So back to the house to relax for the rest of the day, and we'll see what else comes in.
All right, me and Landon are off to go do a recovery. I think it's in Orderville. F250, 350 something with a trailer. Slid off into a ditch. So we're gonna go winch him out. We'll be there.
You're gonna do it right.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. We're going fast enough,
Just right off into it. Alright, well. Kept going into it.
Alright, you use this thing to pull your trailer up on, and we'll just slowly work the truck back up.
Gotta get the rope out first. Grab a soft shackle. Alright, we shall see if it slides it up on. Clean some mud.
Alright, that's good.
Are you going up there somewhere?
Yeah, I was gonna go up there and look around and back in this driveway.
It's super muddy here too.
Yeah, that's good.
We can
Probably have you pull forward and see if you can just back it down in that driveway right there.
Landon, we're gonna go over there. He's fine. It's not a dip. Crank that thing, cuzzo. Oh, she's good. We're back. You're on pavement now. Is that where he's unloading it at? Sweet. Oh, he got you out. Nah, it should be not bad. You can get out pretty easy, I think.
No.
Alright, job successful. Got the Ford out. Now we're back to the shop to go do shop things.
The boys did good on their recovery, getting that truck and trailer out of the ditch. The old Tacoma came through again, got another one unstuck. That does it for today. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching.